Hey everyone, it's Flutter here, and I am filming my weekly setup for this week. So I am doing a Dutch door weekly. I haven't really decided what I'm going to do on the other side of the Dutch door since I'm also doing panels this week, but I'm just going to go ahead and jump right in and I will see you on the other side. Just starting off with a paintbrush for the Dutch door. As you guys know, I really like to do some sort of design element that is incorporated with my theme for my Dutch door. At least I have been a lot more lately. I think around February I started doing this, so I decided to go ahead and do a paintbrush, which I thought would be fun. It has enough space, but it can also provide some key things for the week. In this case, I decided to do the weather on the front side of the paintbrush, and I still have not decided what I'm going to do on the back side. I think I'm going to do a quote. I just haven't done it yet, and it's Wednesday, so that may not be great. As I mentioned, I decided to do these panels. So one side has a general to-do list, the other side has notable events. I thought it would be fun that no matter where the Dutch door is, which side of the week I'm working on, I have those panels exposed so that I can just get a snapshot of my week in order with like the days of the week for the notable events, and then just having that to-do list that I can constantly reference. I went a little ambitious on this to-do list, but I wanted to make sure that I kept moving it over because some of these things have been on my to-do list for a while and I haven't really gotten to them. But I'm really happy with how this spread turned out. I like the new lettering, and I think it's really fun having all of these elements. Alright, so that is my weekly setup. I have a few more things to do, like color in some of these weather patterns, put in a quote page, and then I need to check on these like notable events or whatever because I feel like I'm missing some stuff, but I wasn't really in the mood to check out my work calendar, so I put what I was thinking about or that like I had in the forefront of my brain and put them over here. So if I ran out of room, like if like I have 2 more items on Monday, I'll just end up putting it over in the daily area rather than this notable events. But I feel like something's going on next weekend and I can't quite remember what. And then I moved over a whole bunch of items from my general to do and things that didn't get done last week. So I have that to reference, and then I'll move them over into the dailies or just mark them off here depending on how much is going on that day. Like Monday, I know my day is going to be pretty busy, so if I do some of this stuff and I didn't already write it here, then I may not end up writing it down. So that's kind of the idea there. And then I'll do what I've been doing, or at least that I did last month, where I just kind of mark off the bullet point rather than highlight the whole thing, because I think that would just be a little bit too much highlighting. But I love how all of these colors go together, so I'm really happy with how this is turning out. I also cannot for the life of me find my slice tool because of the whole moving situation. it's a lot, and I haven't quite gotten to everything, as you guys have probably seen in the video that I uploaded on YouTube before this one. So I haven't quite gotten to everything, and once I do that, I will cut out this piece of paper that is stuck in there so it looks a little bit more like a paintbrush. But that's the general idea. I also got a little bit bored with my kind of headers, so I decided to go with this fun font, and the Instagram account at lettersize, LETTERCISE, like lettering exercise, lettersize, is a really good account that I am participating with this month to kind of vary up your different styles of letters and get really fun and creative with doing different lettering styles. So I thought it would be fun to also do that with my headers in this weekly. So if you haven't checked it out already, I will have the link to that in the description below, and you can go and check out that account. So that is my setup for this week. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys liked my setup video. I have my new blackout journal coming soon, so I'm very excited for you guys to see that. I haven't really started prepping for it, so hopefully I can get to that in the next couple of days and figure that out. So again, I hope you guys liked this video, and I will see you next time. Bye everyone.